witch. Then she will come into a princess and a ballerina. Okay? Not for those things, okay? I don't want them to happen. Nope. And look, I know what it is. She's gonna trap us in a cage. Can I read something? Okay. She's gonna trap us in a cage. No, Sophina, you read it wrong a little bit. You read it wrong. She's gonna trap us in a cage and fill it with too much flashlights and make it too dark so we can't see. That doesn't sound nice, does it? Then she will leave to do it to everyone else. And it's too bad. And if someone has a wand, then they can stop her now. I have a wand. No, you don't. Yeah. No, it's a straw. You don't. This is a wand too. Well, maybe if you could try with Alex's way to make a wand, then you can do anything with Alex that you want. But the naughty witch will just throw her in the garbage. That doesn't sound nice, does it? She'll throw everything and even the building and the hotels and the apartments and light bulbs in the garbage. And Mommy's jammies and Mommy's camera. Then everyone will be naked all day. That's not nice. This is my wand. I can turn into a princess. Nope. I want to be a mermaid.